Here's how to change the logo link to a custom URL in WordPress. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, search for the plugin that allows you to customize your logo link. Once you find it, click Install Now, wait for the installation to complete, and then click Activate. After activating the plugin, go to the Plugin section and locate the Logo Link plugin. Click Settings to open its configuration page. On the Settings page, you can enter a custom URL for your website logo. For example, if you want visitors to be redirected to your contact page or My Account page when they click the logo, simply copy the URL of that page and paste it into the custom logo link field. You may also see an option to open the link in a new window. Enable it if you want the destination page to open in a separate tab. Once you've entered your custom URL, click Publish or Save Changes to apply the settings. Now visit your website and click on the logo. It should take you directly to the custom page you selected instead of the default homepage. And that's how to change a logo link to a custom URL in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel